In Wisconsin Dells, one last piece of the Tommy Bartlett legacy still stands, but maybe not for long. After the iconic water ski show took its final bow in 2020, the Exploratory became the last remaining remnant of a bygone era, a science museum straight out of the 80s, frozen in time. It's quirky, it's hands-on, and yes, it was a shockingly good time.
That was fun. That's worth coming here just to do that.
Join us as science meets fun on this LoveNesters adventure.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in the Wisconsin Dells at the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory. Woo! And there's some big changes ahead of us.
This iconic Wisconsin Dells landmark has been sold to Ripley's, believe it or not.
What?
And no one's really quite sure what plans they have in store. They may keep it the same, they may do something totally different. So we're here to document for you what it looks like right here, right now, in case this is your last chance to see this iconic Dells landmark.
This could be your last chance. See, I was going to sing that, but lucky I didn't.
We're glad you did it.
Thanks for being
here.
The Tommy Bartlett name is legendary in the Dells. Originally known for his water ski show that began back in 1952, Tommy Bartlett was a showman who believed that learning should be fun. The Exploratory opened in 1982 and was originally called Tommy Bartlett's Robot World and Exploratory. Now, over time, the robots were phased out and space memorabilia was added. Now visiting the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory feels like stepping into a hands-on time capsule, part science museum, part roadside oddity.
Tommy Bartlett once was the world's largest water ski show, which I actually attended as a young lad. I'll take 3 whoopee cushions to go, sir.
Want to lift a car with your bare hands? Well, you can do it here.
This young lady here is going to try to take her strength and lift up that beautiful 1999 Dodge Durango. Check engine light came on at 2,000 miles and never went off. Oh, Mike.
It's moving.
Okay, I couldn't budget on the second rope. We're just gonna see if Jeff can, because he's pretty strong and I'm kind of a weakling. Oh yeah, he's got it. Look at that, he did it. Wow.
So the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory is actually spread out over 4 buildings. You actually start with building 2 and end with building 1. Of course, you exit through the gift shop.
It's been sold, so if it does close down, we want to capture this wonderful nostalgic place before it does.
You will find the restrooms in section 2 and section 1. Okay, let's go into sector 2.
Is it locked?
Oh, sector 2 pulls open.
Mirror adds 10 pounds.
I think you're right.
Jacobson ladder.
We want to highlight this before they tear it down. If they do. We don't know. We don't have any insights, of course. But I was here as a kid, and now I'm back.
Step inside and you'll find over 175 interactive exhibits. There are puzzles to solve, illusions that mess with your mind, and physics demos that make you feel like a kid again. Everything here is meant to be touched, explored, and enjoyed, no matter your age.
Oh, that's my EKG. Don't even joke about that, mister. A lot of old school electronics, so it's gonna bring back a lot of memories.
For us, this visit was about more than just nostalgia. It was about documenting a beloved part of Wisconsin Dells that's been sparking curiosity for generations. In fact, we came back twice just to make sure we captured it all. If you've never been, or haven't been in a while, now might be the perfect time to stop in and see it while you still can. Because like so many great roadside attractions, the Exploratory might soon become a piece of history.
I can't believe you're gonna do this. Are you scared, honey?
It's not the most stable.
Oh my gosh!
And right there, it's gonna stop you. Come on in, try no hands.
Try no hands! Oh my gosh! Jeff, I can't believe you're doing
Like
it!
and subscribe.
Oh my gosh!
Good balance.
3 feet left. Last foot right here. You got it. Come on in, try no hands.
Oh, oh, you're conquering all your fears.
That was fun. That's worth coming here just to do that. Wow, lots more to explore in this section. We're supposed to be able to see a face. All right. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, I can see it in the camera, but I can't see it in real life. That's got to be Albert Einstein. Yes. And here's Abraham Lincoln. Like when you're right in front of it, you absolutely cannot see it, but you can see it through the camera. That's crazy.
What?
All right, well, it says men do better. You did not make it to the men's average. 5 seconds. No. Hey, you got up to 2, most improved player.
There is a sense that this chapter might be closing. Ripley's, believe it or not, has purchased the building, and while they're known for the unusual and offbeat, just like Tommy Bartlett was, the vibe may shift. Will the science-focused exhibits remain, or will it become more like Ripley's other locations, full of shrunken heads, two-headed animals, and curiosities from around the world?
What? I mean, look at this. You can dig, you can have fun. Spin the spiral. I'm hiding from Debbie.
Ah, you really are in there.
What? Did you see that?
Oh my gosh, guys, this one is really dizzying. If you're enjoying our videos though, we'd sure appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. It helps other people to find the channel. We're so glad you found it. Thanks for being here. All right, Sector 4. This is the space section and very cool. This is a replica of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. The Soviet Union successfully launched this on October 4th, 1957. Oh, I wish I could put Jeff in this gyro trainer.
This is the original core module of the Russian Mir space station. The other one is actually in Russia. Right here in Wisconsin Dells is the Russian Mir space station module. And we get to go in it.
This is an authentic Russian space station, Mir core module, the only one of its kind open to the public. This 43-foot-long structure served as the operational heart of the Mir space station, providing a glimpse into the lives of cosmonauts who once orbited Earth.
This one never did go up into space, but it was supposed to go up in 1991. But amazing what you can find online for sale. Tommy Bartlett was looking for car parts and came across this for sale from a museum in Russia, put in some bids, and outbid everybody else.
And now it's in Wisconsin Dells.
Yes, it is. First put on display here summer of 1997.
Wow.
Very cool. Wow, this is the original flight crew, and they were in this thing for 1 year. That's crazy.
See how small this Mercury spacecraft was? So you're in space in this little tin can, and you're plunging into the ocean with this.
Gosh, these were some brave people. This is the Mars Explorer, or a replica of one.
Ground control to Major Tom.
There's a lot of activities. If you have patience and don't mind reading things, you could spend quite a bit of time here with the kids. It's really what you make of it.
Introduce yourself, young lady.
This is Debbie's rendition of Mary Had a Little Lamb.
It just brings back so many memories. These are just the basic fun toys, fun experiments that you did as a child.
This is the electric shock screamer button. Did you push it? Okay. One button flashes, push start. Okay. And then grab on. Grab on. Grab on. Don't let go. 20 seconds.
I'm not gonna do it.
Hang on. Hang on. You can do it.
Okay, the first part is okay. I don't like this.
This.
Okay, I don't like this at all.
You are facing your fears of
I do.
electricity, heights.
Oh my god.
This is a new exercise program. Come on, good exercise.
Jeez, oh my gosh, this is very disorienting in here. This is the Star Walk.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through time and science. If you have a favorite memory from any of the Tommy Bartlett attractions, we'd love to hear about it in the comments.
Avada Kedavra. There's my patrolman.
You look just like Baltimore.
Well, this might be a sign that they're closing. All the t-shirts are on sale for $10.
So it's been nice to see a lot of families are in here enjoying all of these exhibits. Now, if you are a guest of the Kalahari, you do get free passes, so check with your hotel, you never know. And they also participate in the Passport to Savings program, so that's another way to get some discounts.
The Tommy Bartlett Exploratory, what a great place to visit, and it might be your very last chance to visit.
Who knows what's going to happen? It took 2 years to negotiate the deal. 37 acres of property have been sold and are now available to be developed by the Ripley's Believe It or Not Corporation. We're excited to see what they come up with. While we're waiting, check out the Tommy Bartlett Exploratory.
Thanks for being here.